So welcome back to the last use cases of our SAP Enterprise Content Management so far. And this will be talking about the record retention process and how does it look like in a typical SAP SuccessFactors OpenText point of view. And many of you, if you do not know what is record retention process, this is a process like many organizations they follow, like for every what are the employee records we are having, whether you would like to retain it for a particular period, duration, okay, after the employee is leaving the organization, whether you're 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, based on the organization and also the localization policies of your organizations, you have to take care. This is another important part, okay? So from a data management, record and management point of view, so that part we'll be going to see in our system and how does it look like. Okay, so this is the last use case so far. And if you have further use cases, you just let me know and we will be discussing that also in the future. Okay, so let's now move to the last use case, that is the 14th use case, record retention process. And we will start from here. So entire whole process, it will take in a view. So let's like this. So you'll be having what kind of records you'll be having in your open text. You'll be seeing a record in management, company's name. For that, you'll be having some folder. Okay, so let me go there and I will go to the classic view. And in that case, you'll be finding something called dispositions. And if you see here, there are so many things: case management, marketing, portfolio project management, procurement, customer support. For different categories, you may have a different types of documents, right? So what we will do for our scenario, we will go to the enterprise, and from there, we will go to the record management solutions from here. And from here, we will be seeing there are different categories like in classification, disposition, hold, maintenance, okay, legal hold, all those things you will be seeing here. So I will go to the disposition section here. And from here, I'll be having again further folders like HR, finance, planning, sales. I will go to the HR. I will go for employee workspaces for deletion. So I will go there inside it. And here what I will go again for I will start search. Okay, so all this snapshot you can see. This is always call it a snapshot also. And you can also see this disposition is processing, it is approved. And if you want to apply hold, if you want to, okay, any kind of details you'll be finding here. Change actions, change review decisions, filter, apply accession, okay, for this employee, right? So all the things, whatever you would like to do, you can see here, okay? So here item count will be showing that there's only workspace that needs to be deleted and you can assign to the HRBP. Yes, the project manager can assign to the HRBP. You can see the reassign option, and then this can be reassigned, and HRBP can go and find that user. Let's say it does work with the user, and you can see you can also send a notification to that HRBP, and so now HRBP has received that notification regarding deletion of a particular workspace. Okay, so C has to go through and C has to again switch to the classic view and navigate to those record management space. Record management like this, dispositions. Go to HR, employee workspace for deletion. Choose that particular snapshot. Okay, so this is marked for deletion. Now C can delete the workspace and complete the entire activity. Okay, so this is how the typical use cases for record retention process looks like. Okay, so these are different 14 use cases we talked about. So thanks for joining in. Hope you enjoyed the entire series. And if you want to look for more for this kind of a learning, and I will recommend to take a subscription of this membership in school.successlabsacademy.com. And you would like to learn more about it, we will be more than happy. Bring your own system. That's the most important part. And we will be talking about implementation side of it. So now we talked about so far from a business point of view and an end user or a business user, how does it typical enterprise content management system looks like and all the things. So now in the next, maybe whenever you are ready, just let me know and I'll be more than happy to connect with you one-on-one or group. So the entire enterprise content management system, configuration, implementation, consulting side of it, or any kind of support required if you're working a project, and you will be discussing that as well. Okay, so that's all for today, and we will see in the upcoming. So whenever you are going to register, and we will be having a group, and we'll be discussing further regarding the consulting or implementation track of it. Okay, thank you for joining in. Hope you enjoyed the entire track, and share, subscribe, and like the channel, and you can share with other people who may be getting benefited from this knowledge. Right. So now, with that note, I am signing off here. Looking forward to your support in the future sessions. Thank you very much for joining in.